So hello everyone. Today Gustav from Base IT38. So now we will create a simple web application with SQL injection vulnerability and to develop a simple PHP web application that is vulnerable to SQL injection. So our very task here is to exploit the vulnerability to access the database and retrieve the data. And we will modify the code with the secured secured preferred statement. So here in our database, I already created a database here and its table consists of ID, username, and password. So we'll go through here now in our index.php. So with our prepared statement here, this is not a secured. So let's try to log in and use a SQL injection to bypass. So see. So let's try using this as our password. So as you can see, I successfully log in as an admin here in our simple web application. So now let's try to bypass it using the attack that we used in our case study one. So let's copy this here. So let's try to log in. So as you can see, the skill attack bypass are not secured and a vulnerable web application. So now we will try to modify it using some statement. So here I already prepared a secured version of it. So now let's try to log in. So first we'll try our stored data here in our database. Here password. So as you can see, we successfully log in again using our stored data here in our table. And now we will use the SQL attack if it will work. Let's copy it. So as you can see, it didn't, the SQL attack won't work because of our prepared statement here. So in this laboratory, we successfully created a simple PHP web application with SQL injection vulnerability. So it exploited it to access this database, and then modified the code to use a prepared statement to prevent such vulnerabilities. That's all. Thank you.